Hello. I'm coming. Just a minute. Just a minute. Give me a minute. Coming. Coming. Yeah. Yeah. Coming. Good morning. Hi. Good morning.
Hi, good morning. Hey, why are you late?
I'm so frustrated. Yeah.
Dude, when are you not frustrated? You know, you're like just problem ki dukaan, something or the other.
But then today it's something serious.
What is it about?
See, I told you no from a long time. My room is vacant and it's not filled yet.
Do you have the pictures of the property?
Yeah.
Then why don't we post an ad on rentitonline.ae?
What is rent it online?
Rent It Online is a portal where you can advertise your rooms.
But then it should be very expensive, no?
No, bro, it's just 49 dirhams.
Yeah?
Yes, come
How did I not know about
Come,
it?
come quick.
1 second. Are see? I'm getting queries.